In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the style of your scheduling page with colors and fonts. By the end, your page will match your brand and feel welcoming, clear, and easy to read. Start by opening your scheduling page. This is the place your visitors will use to pick times, so it's worth giving it a look before you make changes. Once you're there, find the Style option. This is your design hub, where you can control the look and feel without affecting the functionality of booking. When you click Style, you'll see controls for colors and fonts, along with a live preview, so you can immediately see how your choices appear. Let's begin with colors. You can change the colors based on your preferences, and it's a good idea to align them with your brand or the mood you want to create. Choose a primary color for key elements like buttons and highlights. This should be bold enough to stand out. Then, consider your background and text colors. High contrast is important for accessibility and readability. Dark text on a light background is usually the safest choice. If you use an accent color, keep it consistent for links or subtle highlights to guide attention without overwhelming the page. If you're unsure, start with a simple palette. One primary color, a neutral background, and clear, dark text. Subtle changes can have a big impact, and a clean, calm design often helps people complete bookings more confidently. Next, adjust the fonts. You can also change the fonts to match your brand personality and improve readability. For headings, a slightly more distinctive font can add character, while body text should be simple and comfortable to read at a glance. Sans serif fonts tend to work well on screens, but the best choice is the one that stays legible on mobile and desktop. If the tool offers size or weight options, keep headings clear, subheadings supportive, and body text steady and easy on the eyes. Aim for consistency so visitors don't feel distracted by abrupt style changes. As you make changes, watch the preview to see how your colors and typography work together. Look at buttons, links, and any important callouts to ensure they're easy to notice and understand. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Save. This applies your changes to the scheduling page, so visitors will see the updated design right away. That's it. Clean, cohesive, and on brand. If you found this helpful, keep refining your style over time as your brand evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly polished